We are at Plaza de Pau Casal in Vilanova la Geltrú, and what we see in the background is the Sant Antoni Church, the main church of this town. Today we celebrate that the Giants have their 300th anniversary this year, so they come dancing through the streets on this celebration of Corpus Christi, which we in our family usually go to Sitges to celebrate, because that's where they have the most famous flower decorations here of this area, the Panades area. But today, exceptionally, for the reason of celebration of the Giants, we have very, very beautiful Giant-inspired flower decorations here in Vilanova la Geltrú as well. La Giganta Grossa, which we now see in front of us, has received a new haircut, which is supposed to make her hair fly nice away in the air when she is dancing. And Alveganta La Porra has received a new, what is it called, that little sword he has on his belly. That's a dagger, I would think it is. As I said, we are in the Plaza de Pau Casal. It used to be the town hall square of Vilanova la Geltrú, or rather of Vilanova, historically. This little building here in the background. But of course, that was when the town was much smaller than it is today. And at the end of the procession comes La Mulata Borja, the giant donkeys, which also are very typical for the bestiaries, what is called the monster collection, which so many Catalan towns have. So you see her with the tails up. Let's hope that her head pops up again so we can see her full body. They are big and therefore relatively, well, I shouldn't say scary, but they certainly make small children feel a lot of respect when they're dancing around. But the good thing is that they at least don't make any noise. There are no firecrackers or anything else related to them, as there is with so many other of the typical Catalan town monsters. Eagles, dragons, giant fishes, or whatever it is.